In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to find, locate, and even see passwords stored on your Android phone. Now for this specific tutorial, I'm using this Samsung phone, but it's more or less the same instructions for all Android phones. So what you want to do is go to the Google app. That's one way to do it. So go to Google and launch the Google app. And from the Google app, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, and then tap on manage your Google account. Now here, you want to swipe sideways or scroll sideways until you see security. Tap on security, and under security, you can scroll to the bottom until you see password manager. So tap on that, and here you'll see a list of all the saved passwords on your Android phone. These are passwords saved to your Google account because you have to use a Google account on every Android phone. So just find the app whose password you want to see. Let's say, for instance, I want to check out my Netflix password. All I have to do is tap on that. And then, of course, I need to authenticate myself using a fingerprint or password. And then I'll see my username and password hidden behind these dots. To see them in plain text, just tap on this eye icon. Obviously, I'm not going to do that, but if you tap on that, you should see your password. Okay. Now you can go back and look at all other passwords. Now these are passwords saved on your Google account, the Google account that you're using with your Android phone. Now there might be other ways of seeing stored passwords. For instance, if you're using a Samsung phone, you might have your password saved in the Samsung Pass, okay, which is a Samsung account basically. So on a Samsung, you might also want to go to settings and then go to your Samsung account. And then under Samsung account, go to Samsung Pass. It's going to ask to scan your fingerprint to verify your identity. Just do that. And then here you'll see your passwords for apps and websites and the ones you've manually added. Okay. So currently I only have one saved password. As you can see, for Xiaomi, if I tap on that, I'll see my username and password as soon as I tap on this eye icon. Okay. So that's for Samsung users. Now, if you're using a Xiaomi phone or any other Android phone, there might be specific ways tailored for that specific Android phone to store passwords. But all passwords stored in the Google account of your Android phone are found in the Google account. Okay, so you have to go to the Google app that I've just shown you, or you can launch your browser. And on your browser, go to passwords.google.com. And once you get in there, you'll see the same thing. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.